Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we will be discussing what are data types in JavaScript. So JavaScript is a dynamically typed language. We doesn't have to define the data type while declaring a variable. Suppose we are declaring a variable let keyword let a equal to 5. So here we didn't have to explicitly assign it that it stores an integer, means a number or a string or something like that. We can also assign this a string to this variable, a string value to. So now let's understand what are data types. So first of all, primitive data types. So the first one is number. Numbers which stores numeric values or a floating point number, like let a equal 3. It stores a number. When we return the type of this a, we have to console it. So it will return the type number, and there is another one that is big int. It is for a large number, or suppose we want to store a very big number, so for that case we use big int. So suppose let big value equals big int, and then we store a value inside of it. Suppose a very big value, we want to store some like that. So Control C, and when we console the data type of this, then it will return a big int. Sorry, my bad, big value. So the another one is a string. String is like a character or a series of character. So suppose we store a equals, sorry, my bad, a string value. Sorry, I think I missed the closing bracket. So string value equals, this is a tutorial. Then if we console the type of it, like suppose we want to console the type of this, then it will return a string type. So as you can see, yes, you can see it is returning string. Another one is boolean. Suppose we have a value which can be true or false, like it stores a boolean value like a true or a false in the form of a true or a false, like let a equals true. It stores a boolean value. Sorry, I think I did declare boolean value. So it stores a boolean value in the form of true and false. Only these two values can be stored. Now let's another data type, that is undefined. A variable is undefined when we only declare it and not assign it any value, then it will return unassigned. Suppose let's test, then it will return undefined. Suppose we want to console the type of it, so for that we console test. It will return undefined because its value is not defined for now. So for that it will return undefined. And null is when we don't want to assign any value to a variable, like let b equal null. So we are declaring none value to it, that it will not contain any kind of values. So for now these are the primitive data types and JavaScripts. And in the next video we will talk about the complex data type, that is object. So for this video, I think it's enough introduction to them, and then I will see you guys in the next video. So if you do like the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you will get the notification for the next video. And thank you for watching the video. Keep grinding and keep hustling. Bye bye.